Oh, Pop Rocks. Okay, I don't know if you can hear the popping. So, anyways, like, whoa, see, he's too tall. He's literally one of the biggest toys I have. And I was just thinking, like, if you mix Pop Rocks with, like, Mentos and soda. And it actually kind of hurts when it pops. It was also at the Dollar Tree. Okay, now back to the review. You can barely see the top of his head. He's gigantic, enormous. Literally. To look at T-Rex, which in my other video, I said he was the biggest. Well, I lied, because it was a surprise. I wanted you to watch my videos. So, look how big he is. He's gigantic, enormous. And, yeah, that's basically it. So I'm eating these Pop Rocks. I probably shouldn't record. Okay. Now. Back to the review or whatever. He's huge. And I was trying to paint him. Like I was going to do with this guy. Oh my god. He needs to be all the way back. Just to see him. Look how big he is. He kind of got like long feet. Move T-Rex. Oh! Okay. This is like bad luck. Time of recording. Okay, so we got Army Man for scale. I'm telling you, he's huge. Look at that. Look at the size of this beast monster. I think his name is Parasaurolophus. Okay, back to the review. Okay, so he got this little black tip thing. And he got beady little eyes. You can kind of see the little dots when I kind of painted him. Boom, really detailed. And he's one of those duckbill guys. So black tip. Like, they're basically both the same on the other side. Unlike some of them. So then I try to paint him more black so it looks more exaggerated. Kind of. Boom. He is a huge one. The biggest one I have. I mean, maybe. I could try to look for more. Also, this is probably going to be my last. Probably. Because like, I only have one more dinosaur. Yeah, I only have one more. It starts with an S. Okay, so you got these arms. Which, first dinosaur video, if you watched it. Same arms. And I'm telling you, he is big. And also, he's my oldest one. So he's like first everything. Biggest, longest, and first this. Same arms. Just a little bit more longer. And then big and long legs. That's how it's so big. And long tail to keep it standing up like all the dinosaurs. You can't even see. I'm telling you, this is too big. Look. Also, you might notice it's clean. It's like slime stuff. Okay. So we got. They always do that thing. They cut in half, and you do not know how much dinosaurs they'll do that crack. Like, cause there's sunscreen right there, and then they all just like kind of thing. And then don't mind the music in the back. I'm just gonna need to talk louder. Then we got. Okay, I'm kind of getting distracted. So we got half of this. Boom, half of his body. Cut in half. Then we got the long legs, which is, I don't even know if I mean, it's been so long. I mean, it might come apart. It's not squishy. If it was squishy, then you could tear this apart. I don't know. That music's kind of fire in the background. We got 2 red eyes, which I could not scrub off. I scrubbed it off like 5 days ago. We got veiny neck, long head, like long head. And then if you're wondering how big he is, God, he's huge. Where's that army guy? Hold up, I gotta go AFK. God, where is he? There he is, I found him. Dude, he always falls over because he's like the Leaning Tower of Pizza. Boom. That's how big he is. Which I'm pretty sure that's how big he is if in real life. Like, that's a real human. Pretend that's a real human. Pretend that's a real thing. Okay? And this one, I don't remember if it came with a tag or not. I think it came with a different tag. Or, like, some kid tore it off and they just, like, a little neck. Because I don't know there's a little neck in here. I just, boom, ripped it off. My super strong strength. Super strong strength. Never mind. That sounds dumb. Like, super fast speed. Still got some more Pop Rocks. Okay. So, again, they made it look good with 2 colors like some other dinosaurs. Okay, I think I'm almost done with this video. Oh, yeah. I would give this perfect 10 out of 10. Perfect everything. Perfect size. Perfect. It should be worth $2, but it's $1. Like, dude, like, this was the smallest one compared to the biggest one. Clickbait. This is going to be my longest video for the biggest dinosaur. And, yeah, I don't know. Maybe in my other recordings, you might see some things like... Alright, let me just grab it down real quick. I made this little dinosaur. Claws. Okay, I might make a video about that. I just have one more video. I need to make videos. Okay, that's it. This is also my oldest one. I'll probably say that like 5 times. Okay, peace. Yeah, peace.